So this is Angola family.
Os hábitos portugueses para os ingleses.
These guns were used by the Portuguese to move out the Spaniards and the Dutch. Yeah, they used these guns. Only for me. Não desgosto. Volta, primeira vez. Aqui no meu lado.
Este é o banheiro do século XVIII.
Banheiro.
Verdade, para o parque de vários grande traficante deste povo. Quem tomava banho aqui foi o Álvaro Matoso. Álvaro Matoso. Grande traficante deste povo.
And he was bad in here. So it was a bed from a great slave owner, slave trafficker. He used to bed himself in this tub. Yeah.
Aqui temos duas panelas
Same box.
onde fabricavam bebidas alcoólicas escravizadas. Where they used to make alcohol for the slaves.
Alcohol for the slaves? Why for the slaves?
Para eles se beber na hora da travessia, que eles eram fome. Make that while down cross because they were small. Dat ze zagen dat de slaven heel sterk waren. Them drunk because they were strong.
They were strong.
Yeah, if they couldn't be drunk, they would not pass there.
So these are the boats. En zo barcos dos portugueses, né?
Sim.
And these are the boats the Portuguese used. This was to transport slaves from Angola. Wow. So these are the biggest one, and these are the smallest one. Yeah. So it's from the 15th century, right? These vessels are from the 15th century. Slaven te transporteren. Okay, you can see here the map, but it's yeah, from Angola. People went to Americas, right? Brazil, the Caribbean islands, basically to the west. Some of them also went to Europe. Eh? Many people forget about that, but slaves were also taken to Europe.
Kitchen. For the drug dealers here, this kitchen. Drug dealer. Slight dealer.
Look at that picture there. It's just strange. Yeah, look at this. He's giving the Negro strong drink. Alcoholic beverage. Crazy, huh? And that Negro over there is a Hebrew. Yes, that's a Hebrew. You see him having his, we call that his signature. That's a Congo signature. That's a Hebrew. He's a worker of the field, something. And this Hebrew here, this Hebrew here is an important man. You can see it because he has a servant carrying the umbrella for him because of the sun, right? To shade him, provide shade. Yeah, amazing.
This is my information.
Okay.
For the slaves.
Wat is de embarcação?
Wat is een embarcação?
Waar ze op de boot werden geplaatst. Dus Luanda, Ayuda, Benguela, Cabinda, Boni, Malembo. So people say that most Hebrews in the Americas came from Ouida, right? Ouida or Elmina, which is in Ghana. But look at this. Luanda, we see like 2.8 million. Estimated. 2.8 million. Yes. And from Ouida, 1 million. And from Elmina, just 255,000. That's why I always say the majority of the Hebrew Israelites, the majority of the diaspora in the Americas, yes, also the USA, you come from Luanda, you come from Angola. You are from Angola, yes, from Congo. So it's a bit dark here, but this is the room where our Angolan brothers were changed, immobilized, but also punished. Yeah? So they were chained. You see, so when the Bible says, I will put chains of iron on your neck, this is what happened. Chains of irons upon our neck. And we were taken from the land of our ancestors to a foreign land, which we never knew before, right? Taken. Look at this, brother. Suffering. And here, you can see how they chained us like cattle, right? From the man to the children. You see here the Negro enforcer who works for the white man. We see the woman, right? Even though they are chains carrying heavy load upon the head. Heavy load. The man, the woman are changed, but the men are also bound by the hands. And you see children. This was the reality. And how heavy you think this is? This is pure iron, right? This is pure iron. So how heavy is it? 25 kilos. Okay. 25 kilo, 30 kilos. And this is what? 43 kilos. 43 kilos. 25 kilos. Yes. Difficult to escape with this kind of thing. Tied on your feet, on your foot. How can you run? How can you escape? Yeah, it's very sad. Here you see the quarters in a ship, right? The quarters in the ship, how people were put together in ship. Very tight situation. And these were the instruments they used to, how to say that, to arrest people, right? And here you see the branding. How they brand the Hebrews, how they brand them, right? European, they mark them as if they were cattle. Crazy, 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 crazy. So if there exists a righteous God, will a people not rip what they saw? Because the Bible says God is not mocked. Whatever a person does, whatever he sows, he shall also reap. So there will come a day that things will turn around. All the evil that was done will return back unto them. Like it is written in the Bible. Jesus says, I am coming, right, to give everyone according to their works. So, this is a wooden trap that they use, right? They will trap your feet here, and you will lay on the ground, demobilized. Yeah? So they will trap your feet. They will lay on the ground, demobilized. Yeah? And imagine in the sun. You're just laying there in the sun. You're cooked. You're cooking. In the African sun, it's torture. Unbelievable. This guy was actually a very important guy. I believe he was an ambassador. Beautiful pictures. Yeah. You guys want to go up? Yeah? Let's look at this. These are some traditional weapons. Actually, those are arrows. It's a bow. The Angolan people, the Congo people, were master in iron working. They were masters in iron working. And they were working iron before the European. The Congo people were master smiths. So these are some weapons. It's like a javelin of iron, like they used, like the Roman used, the javelin of iron, complete iron. These are some old weapons from the colonizers. Yeah. Let's inform us. Yeah, they used to use these things to beat people. That's a whip. This is a whip. And these were the instruments, the African Angolan instruments. Do you recognize them too? Yeah. Looks like guitars. Yeah, it's a sort of a guitar harp, right? But it is some traditional instrument from Africa. King David was playing on this kind of instrument, what they call the harp. King David was playing on this kind of instrument. And it's another instrument used in Congo, also used in America as well. Slaves, here's another instrument. So the Angolan instrument they introduced to the Americans as they were. As you can see, we do so the Angolan culture in Europe and in America